Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary off-road vehicles ever made, the 1960 Toyota Land Cruiser J40. A true icon of durability, reliability, and adventure, this classic 4x4 has cemented its place in automotive history. Whether you're a fan of vintage off-roaders, a Toyota enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates rugged engineering, this episode is for you. Let's take a step back to 1960. Post-war Japan was emerging as a global automotive powerhouse, and Toyota had already gained recognition for building tough, no-nonsense vehicles. The Land Cruiser had been around since the early 1950s, but in 1960 Toyota introduced the J40 series, a vehicle that would become the backbone of Toyota's off-road legacy for decades to come. At first glance, the Land Cruiser J40 looks like a machine built for adventure. Its boxy, utilitarian design isn't just for style, it's built to be functional. The high ground clearance, short wheelbase, and solid axles make it an excellent choice for tackling tough terrains, from muddy trails to rocky mountains. The classic round headlights, upright grille, and flat body panels give it a timeless appeal that still turns heads today. Under the hood, the 1960 J40 was powered by Toyota's F-Series inline-six engine, a workhorse known for its reliability and torque. This engine produced around 125 horsepower, modest by today's standards, but more than enough to conquer challenging landscapes. It was paired with a 3-speed or 4-speed manual transmission, sending power to all four wheels through a rugged 4WD system. With a low-range gearbox, the Land Cruiser could crawl over obstacles with ease, making it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and military forces worldwide. But what truly set the J40 apart was its durability. Owners quickly discovered that this vehicle was nearly indestructible. It could withstand extreme weather, harsh environments, and years of abuse without skipping a beat. This reputation for reliability helped Toyota establish itself as a dominant force in global markets, especially in regions where tough terrain and long distances demanded a dependable vehicle. Inside, the J40 was as simple as it gets. There were no fancy electronics or luxury features, just a straightforward functional cabin designed for practicality. The seats were basic, the dashboard was minimal, and everything was built with longevity in mind. This simplicity made it easy to repair and maintain, another reason why so many J40s are still on the road today. Over the years, the Land Cruiser J40 became a favorite for farmers, explorers, and even the United Nations. It was used in remote areas where no other vehicle could go, proving its capability in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Today, it's a sought-after classic, with collectors and restorers keeping the legacy alive. Whether you see it as a historical workhorse or an off-road legend, the 1960 Toyota Land Cruiser J40 is a testament to Toyota's engineering excellence. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of adventure, freedom, and resilience. That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Land Cruiser J40, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.